Celebrate good time, come on. Let's celebrate. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Today, I'm celebrating someone special in my life. And that's him be saying, I want to join you guys. I want to join you guys. How are you feeling? You're excited? Food is always a good idea. Huh?
Choose between Japanese or
Mexican. Contemporary Mexican food, yeah? Okie dokie. There's gonna be a mariachi band. I called the guy. Eh? I called the guy. Ah. For the mariachi band. And he's like, "Ay, Teresa, estás?" He said it's too late and that he would recommend a friend, and I haven't heard back from him. So let's hope the mariachi guy shows up at 7:30.
today.
Huh?
Today.
No. Ooh, let me see if I have my phone. Celebrate good time, come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on. I don't know if that's the lyrics, but I just remember. Celebrate good time, come on. Qué dramática, ¿eh? Órale. Órale, gracias.
¿Sándwich de roast beef? Gracias. Un placer.
Provecho.
Provecho. You only came once alone, didn't you?
No.
And you came recently.
Yes.
Told you and you were here having.
Yes.
And the day you had to go to the office, you eat here.
Yes. Had lychee and the same thing, better bean salad. How was that?
Was good food.
Always, right?
My tummy is hurting. Too much food.
Your tummy is hurting?
Too much food.
Oh.
My have to give a talk.
What does a talk have to do with your tummy now, mate?
Wake up.
It was a good night. My guys were good to you. So it was a wonderful evening of celebration and chatting, and we're gonna end the night by saying here, stay positive, think on possibilities, and celebrate each moment however it's best for you, whether in a large crowd, small crowd, or just being by yourself and being grateful for all the wonderful things, right? Bye bye. Who are you telling bye?
To the camera.